Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in a Toyota Supra, which means I've got a 3 litre straight 6 turbocharged engine, rear wheel drive, 8-speed automatic gearbox. Normally I'd have 340 horsepower, but this car has been tuned by Litchfield. So it's now got 440 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. And I'm going to drag race it against that over there. I've got a guest driver in that. It's Alex from Throttle.
So Alex, tell me a bit about your car.
Right, Matt, but before that...
Why are you wearing a cap?
I just thought I'd wear this cap for reasons.
Alright, anyway.
I'm in the 5 litre V8 Mustang, 450 horsepower, 530 Newton meters. We've got a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Interestingly, don't have launch control in this. That's a manual only model option, which is really stupid.
And a new price of £45,000.
Bizarrely, this Supra is more expensive. It's like 53 grand, and I've got way less power than you, so 340 horsepower.
So really you should beat me unless you're a complete and utter moron. Well, two things.
We know that the Supra does not have 340 horsepower. You can see that on the Car Throttle video over there. We dyno tested it, and it produced way more than that.
Secondly,
You've got some decals on your car. Litchfield. Now, I've been to Litchfield. Nice place.
I'm not sure why you'd want to put it on your car.
It's a nice cathedral city.
Near where I'm from. Why not? I assume we're going for no launch control.
Control in your car as well.
We're definitely not having launch control on at all. You can trust me.
Let's just get on with this race. Don't ask questions.
Alrighty.
Right. Wonder if we can beat him.
3, 2.
Oh, good start.
Come on, Mustang!
Oh no, sideways. Oh.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Oh, we're all over the place.
He's getting away from me. This is awkward.
See you later, Alex.
Come on!
Yes.
He's beaten me, but not by that much.
Alex, by the way, I was in launch control.
You want to do one without launch control? It's not going to make any difference, but hey, let's do it. You call it in.
All right, 3, 2.
1, go.
This is better without launch control by the looks of it.
You just got smoked.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, I reacted quickly to the starter, but the car struggled for traction in the first 20 metres, spinning up its wheels. Despite this though, the Litchfield Supra still crossed the line in an impressive 12.1 seconds. Meanwhile, Alex in the Mustang did the quarter mile in 12.7 seconds.
We're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, cars in drive, comfort mode, just chilling. I'm going to count it in.
3,
2,
1.
go. Oh, bye, 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 5 litres, bye, bye, bye. Your car is slow.
Oh God, look how heavy it is. This is pretty hard on the brakes. Wow.
Well, speaking of that, let's see what it's actually like in a brake test.
I like doing emergency brake tests. Not in my own car though.
Let's get level with me then, we'll be about 70.
Hold on for me.
Wait.
God, it's so slow in that thing. Right, when we get to the line,
Full emergency stop.
Come on, Mustang. Brake!
oh, that felt good.
I'm not that big a fan of the Supra, but on second thoughts, I mean, it's quite good, isn't it?
It's a bit better than a Mustang, especially if you've got silver stripes down the side that say Litchfield.
How much are you in for in that car?
So the car itself, I think it's about £53,000 for the basic car, and the ECU upgrade is less than £1,000.
Alex, you lost that, mate. You lost all 3 challenges, and that's because you
Went and chose to drive the Mustang.
But mine doesn't sound as...
as bad as yours.
I got this as well.
Well, we can all do that.
I think I'd have more fun in this.
Maybe.
Okay?
You think you have more fun in that?
Yeah, I think so. This is not going to go well, is it? Having fun there, Matt? Hello. Nice to see you.
Please subscribe to this channel for more videos, and if you click on the deals box to the right, you can see how much you can save on a new car at CarWow. Or click on the video windows below to watch another of my videos.